Hi, welcome to Parenteach. In this video, I wanted to look at the Phonics Screening Check, which all Year 1s take in June. You'll be aware by now, if your child's taking the Phonics Screening Check, that they're learning real and non-real words. Sometimes these can be called alien words, sometimes they're shown with a little picture of an alien. This is an example of the test booklet from 2015. As you can see on the front, it says pupil materials, and this has actually come from the government website where they have all the old test papers online. The test is set out really clearly. What they'll have is a page with 4 words. You can see these ones have pictures of aliens on them, and they're really clear and they're written in big font, so they're quite easy for the child to read. You'll notice that these ones have got pictures by the side of them. If I just flick over to these ones here, which is a practice sheet, again on the government website, there's some words here and you'll notice they don't have the same pictures by the side of them. That's the way that they show which are the real words and which are the non-real words. So you can tell your child and emphasise to them that if there is a little picture of an alien by the side of the word, that word isn't real. And it's really important to emphasise this point, because what some children try to do is to fit the word that they see into a real word that they know. So for example, if they were to see this word, fip, they might look at it and think, oh, that looks a bit like flip, or fit, or fib. And they might try and say one of those words because they're trying to think, what word do I know that it looks a bit like? So it's really, really important to emphasise to them that if the picture has got one of these little aliens by the side of it, it's not a real word, it's not a word that you'll know. It won't make sense to you, but you just have to sound it out. So what I want to do as well is just have a go at sounding out some of the words and then blending them, which is just put the sounds together to read the word so that you can hear what the words might sound like. I'm just going to go through a few just to show you how your child will work through this test. So for this one, for example, this is section 1. So they would say fip, fip, pon, hab, ulb, ulb, or ulb, depending on your regional accent. So there's 2 sections to the test, and there's 20 real words and 20 non-real words in total. These obviously don't have an alien or a picture beside them, so we know they're real words. I'll just sound a few out just to give you an example. Ed, shed, oil, soil, art, chart. And scroll down and see that there are a few more of the real words, and then it will go back to section 2 to the non-real words, which are a little bit harder and have got different vowel sounds, which are either 2 or 3 letters together. Just give you an example. Yeah, k, keem, ape, wape. That concludes the video for our phonics check. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have, or post another video if there's anything else that you feel would be helpful. Thanks very much for watching.